Nobody told you this, but it's the truth. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because no one showed you where the money actually is. While everybody's trying to go viral or begging for $15 per hour jobs, companies are out here paying $60,000 to $100,000 plus to people with no degree. Just real skills. Not theory. Not essays. Just results. And here's the part that gets even wilder. They'll train you, pay you, and give you the blueprint. Let's talk facts. Multiverse is one of the best-kept secrets in the data world. They take people with zero background and train them through a 12 to 15-month paid apprenticeship to become data analysts. The people who turn raw numbers into strategic insight. You'll work with companies that run the economy, building skills in Excel, SQL, Tableau, and storytelling with data. When you finish the program, you'll be qualified for $60,000 plus starting, with massive room to grow. This isn't college. This is paid, employer-backed training with a real job at the end. But that's not the only path. Let me put you on to Workday. You probably never heard of it, but Workday runs payroll, finance, and HR systems for Fortune 500 companies. Their apprenticeship program trains you to become a Workday specialist, someone who configures and supports these systems so that billion-dollar businesses don't crash. The pay? $75,000 to $90,000 once you're certified. And the best part? You can do it remote, hybrid, or on-site. Global companies are constantly hiring Workday pros. The demand is huge. And if you're looking for the full package, training, experience, and big brand names, Accenture's apprenticeship program might be your move. This one's a powerhouse. Accenture gives you hands-on experience in cloud, cybersecurity, business systems, or consulting. They teach you what's actually needed in today's digital economy and set you up with real clients and real-world projects. You get paid from day one. You build a six-figure resume. And when you finish, you step straight into a future-proof career. You're not just employed. You're essential. And here's what makes all three programs different from traditional education. No debt. No gatekeeping. No waiting 4 years. Just high-demand skills and direct access to six-figure lanes. So while everyone else is busy posting their resumes on Indeed and hoping for a call back, you'll already be working, learning, earning. These are the paths nobody told you about, and they're available right now. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have connections. You just need to be coachable and committed to showing up. Because once you do, these programs take you the rest of the way. Forever Money isn't about hype. It's about options. And these 3 data and tech apprenticeships might be the most powerful ones you've seen. Let's build a life that pays you back.